Now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to set this up, how to set up the fingerprint code, how to set up the 4 to 6 digit code that is specific for you, so you will be the only one that has access to this. All right, let's go inside and I'll show you how to set up the fingerprint and how to set up the code. All right, so setting up the 4 to 6 digit password is super simple. First, you want to open up the safe with the main code that it comes with, and inside underneath here is a settings key. You want to hold that till you hear it, and then put in your code and ending it with the key. So hold this down till it beeps, put in your code. Now for your fingerprint, same thing. You're going to hold this setting key inside. And that is how you set your fingerprint. So now I've got my code and my fingerprint set up, and now let's move to the app. In your manual you have a QR code. Take that QR code and scan it with your phone. Hi, how you doing? Open up the app, get everything set up, install. Once you have the app installed, hit open, agree, sign up. You're going to get a verification code once you sign in, then create your password. Once that's done, then go into the app, add a device, Bluetooth. To open up the Bluetooth on, you want to hold down, press 11, and then hold the settings button on the inside until it beeps. Once it beeps, you'll be able to see the devices. Click on the device, control it with the unlock code. You get this, slide it open, and it opens it up by controlling it with the app. That's pretty awesome. So now it's locked. I have my 4-digit code set up. I have my fingerprint set up. This thing is ready to mount. This thing is their newest and improved pistol safe. That is fantastic. 4 ways to open it up. You have your fingerprint code on the top. You have your 4 to 6 digit pin that you can enter in there. And also it has on the bottom, it's got a fail safe for your key. But the best part about this is it now is equipped with an app for your phone to where you can control this safe from your phone. How cool is that? With the mounting system that's on the back right here, you can mount this thing onto your nightstand, onto your bookshelf, wherever you want to mount it to. Let me show you this real quick so you guys can see how easy this thing slides open. Now this is the fail-safe code that comes with it. It's just a 4-digit code, 1, 2, 3, 4. Super simple, super easy. You can set this up to be your fingerprint, and you can put in your own 4 to 6 digit code. But this is the code that they have on here right now. Watch how easy this opens up. And I've already got one in there. Check this out. It's got a little blue light that illuminates so you can see what you're pulling out. And it fits full-size guns, which is exactly what you want to have in a case of an emergency where you need to grab your pistol out quick. It's got your pistol mag here on the bottom and your full-size pistol right there. And if you can't see that blue light is right there and it shines on there pretty fantastic. Now